Hello, and welcome to GOTAGS, an acronym for Getting Off to a Good Start for your first days of school. I am Aline Harris, and it is my pleasure to introduce a program based on over 30 years of educational research, on my conversations with over 2,000 teachers across the U.S., and a little bit on my own 16 years of classroom teaching. There's an old Irish proverb that says a good beginning is half the work. There is a lot of truth in that for every classroom. The goal of GOTAGS is to help teachers create a good beginning that sets the stage for a positive and a productive school year. Research tells us that what a teacher does in those first few days of school highly correlates with what happens in that classroom in the remaining months. How a teacher structures those first few days sets the trajectory for the remainder of the year. Unfortunately, very few teachers have the opportunity to observe or experience the beginning of a school year from a teacher's perspective until they actually have to do it. But we do know that teachers who have higher rates of student academic engagement throughout the year and higher student test scores at the end of the year do many of the same things in those first few days. GOTAGS makes these visible. If you are a teacher, GOTAGS will guide you step by step through 20+ activities in 6 areas to develop a plan to begin your school year proactively. Lay a groundwork that can prevent problems and set the stage for positive experiences for you and for your students. What are these 6 areas? They include arranging your room and materials, literally setting the stage in which you want your play of the classroom to take place. Number 2 is introducing yourself to students, for one of students' first anxieties is who are you and what are you like? Number 3 is developing and teaching your class rules and procedures, something I refer to as the WD-40 of your classroom. The next one is encouraging student accountability. Ways to help students begin to understand what to do and how to do and take responsibility for doing it when it should be done. The next is developing a positive class climate, creating a positive community that supports students and you. And finally, establishing initial positive homeschool communication. When you have worked through these areas of GOTAGS, you will have the tools to develop your own step-by-step plan for getting off to a good start. GOTAGS is available as a softback book with an online template for all of the activities. Also, you can add a companion screencast that was developed from GOTAGS workshops, and this will guide you step by step through all the materials and the activities. And if you are interested in professional development credit, University of the Pacific offers 3 graduate hours of credit for working through GOTAGS with a screencast, applying the ideas you develop in your own classroom, and documenting what you did and how it worked, or how it didn't work. Let us know. Can GOTAGS help you begin your first days in ways that lead to a more positive and productive school year? I invite you to try and see if you would agree with hundreds of teachers who answer this question with a resounding yes.